So now, get your camera out. Oh, there was something I wanted to do, I forgot.
5 feet altitude, 1 feet distance, 0 miles per hour, 98% battery.
You want me to take a picture?
Not yet.
Three feet altitude, 7 feet distance, 0 miles per hour, 95% battery. Recording started.
Okay, here. And you can, you can see right here what that's what the camera sees.
11 feet altitude, 14 feet distance, 0 miles per hour, 94% battery. Ten feet altitude, 16 feet distance, 0 miles per hour, 93% battery. Feet altitude, 15 feet distance, 0 miles per hour, 92% battery. Feet altitude, 15 feet distance, 0 miles per hour, 91% battery.
Hey.
The other stick.
Huh?
Push the left stick.
8 feet altitude, 15 feet distance, 0 miles per hour, 90% battery.
Hold it up a little bit so it moves.
8 feet altitude, 47 feet distance, 0 miles per hour, 88% battery.
Okay, stop. Push it right. No, not that one. Not that one. The other one.
7 feet altitude, 5 feet distance, 0 miles per hour, 87% battery.
I'll be back.
3 feet altitude, 10 feet distance,
So
2
now,
miles
let's
per
go.
hour, 86% battery.
With that stick that you're playing with now, push it. Now here, look, see here, right here. That tells you how high it is. It's 15 feet up. Push it up until that says, "Hey, watch this. Just watch this."
30 feet altitude, 10 feet distance, 0 miles per hour, 84% battery.
Okay.
Whoa. Whoa.
But now you can't see it because of the sun. So come over here.
62 feet altitude,
You see it
10
now?
feet distance, 0 miles
Okay,
per
so
hour,
push-
83% battery.
Push that one. Push this one up like that. Okay, now stop. Now you can see it. Okay. So now this is what the camera
62
sees.
feet altitude,
So let's
87
turn the
feet
camera.
distance, 0 miles per hour,
Use this one
81% battery.
No, just stay still. Put your finger on that one. And watch the picture here. Watch in here. Go ahead. See, now you're looking at the parking lot. Okay, that's what the camera sees.
63 feet altitude, 87 feet
Okay.
distance, 0 miles per
Okay,
hour,
now let's bring
80%
it
battery.
Not like that.
Oh,
Hit the H button.
this one?
H. The H one. No, not that one.
Oh, yeah, I can't see it.
This green H one. That one.
52
Hold that. Now
feet
see where it says
altitude,
go home?
87 feet
Hit
distance,
OK.
0 miles per hour, 77% battery.
Moving by
Now I
himself.
can have a seat. Wait till he comes back.
Oh.
Come
Where are
back.
you going?
It's coming back.
144 feet altitude, 85 feet distance, 10 miles per hour, 76% battery.
Coming down?
No. Stay up there.
135 feet altitude, 8 feet distance, 4 miles per hour, 74% battery.
Down slow?
Yeah, it comes down slow. If it comes down too fast, the
57 feet altitude, 7 feet distance, 1 miles per hour, 73% battery.
Now you can set it to where it'll come down faster, but you're learning, so. Let's see how close to the H it is.
23 feet altitude, 7 feet distance, 0 miles per hour, 71% battery.
Exactly where it's supposed to. Coming down by itself.
Minus 11 feet altitude, 7 feet
It's
distance,
right
0
here,
miles
not
per
there.
hour, 70 miles per hour. Recording started, 67% battery.
Go up to 98 feet.
$89 feet altitude, 1 feet distance, 5 miles per hour, 66% battery. $88 feet altitude, 124 feet distance, 5 miles per hour, 65% battery.
Okay. The way over there?
87 feet altitude, 262 feet distance, 5 miles per hour, 64%
Okay.
battery.
Bring your chair over here so I can show you this. What it's doing here. Okay, you see this thing here?
Keep going that way.
Yeah, you see that little red
88
dot?
feet altitude,
That's that thing.
304
That's
feet
the
distance,
airplane.
5 miles per hour,
And
63%
It's going to
battery.
go all the way around this big loop. Let's see if I can make it a little smaller. It's going to go all the way around and come back home. I have 62% battery.
battery?
Yeah, see where up here it says 62?
97 feet
And
altitude,
it tells you.
405 feet distance,
Listen.
5 miles per hour, 61% battery.
See? And the whole time that it's going around that area, it's pointing to... You can't see it that well.
98
I'm gonna
feet
adjust that.
altitude, 470 feet distance, 5 miles per hour, 60% battery.
Wait a minute. Okay, the whole time that it's going around,
I didn't see.
well, I can't see it too good now. I can hear it.
92 feet altitude,
as it's going
549
around-
feet distance, 5 miles
I
per see.
Yeah,
hour,
it should be over
57%
there, right?
battery.
So as it's going around, it's looking at this. Yeah, I have it pointing to that building right there. Okay. So it's on.
83 feet altitude, 654 feet distance, 5 miles per hour, 56% battery.
I don't see it.
Right, this tree up.
Pretty high, or?
Yeah, pretty high. Looks like going way other way.
Oh, I see it. now.
83 feet altitude, 700 feet distance, 5 miles per hour, 54% battery.
That's where we are.
Looks like it's going other way.
Yep. It's going that way, going around that way.
85 feet altitude,
See, it's right here.
694 feet distance, 5 miles
See
per
little
hour,
red?
53% battery.
It's Way over there. Now it's coming back this way.
"86 feet altitude, 548 feet distance, 5 miles per hour, 51% battery."
Wow. Oh, what was that?
Nothing.
Bugs.
What?
Bugs. I hit my head there. They're going down so quick.
86 feet altitude, 413 feet distance, 5
Yeah, I
miles
thought it
per
was
hour,
62 when it
50%
was up
battery.
there.
Yeah.
Is it coming this way?
Now the battery alarm. I have a battery alarm set on. When it gets to 30% battery, the alarm comes on. Ding, 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 ding. And then you can either come home or
87
you can
feet
shut it off.
altitude,
It's up to you.
304 feet distance,
But I
5
normally
miles
just
per
come
hour, 48% battery.
See what he does. Something's moving so quick.
Mm. 88 feet altitude, 190 feet distance, 5 miles per hour, 47% battery. "88 feet altitude, 33
Pretty
feet
cool, huh?
distance, 5 miles per
You have to
hour,
admit, that's
45% battery."
Not like the other one where, watch out.
It's going that way.
Yeah, it's going to number 12.
Turn around.
Turn around.
87
Right?
feet altitude, 55 feet distance,
And
0
12
miles
is right
per hour,
next to us, so-
44% battery.
Just sit up there.
It'll be coming down.
Oh, you have to,
No, it should come home. I have it set to come home.
88 feet altitude, 54 feet distance, 0 miles per hour, 42% battery.
Going up.
78
Come
feet
down.
altitude, 54 feet distance, 1 miles per hour, 41% battery.
behind us.
39 feet altitude, 54 feet distance, 0 miles per hour, 38% battery.
Last point. The last point's over there. But I can override it. So.
4 feet altitude, 54 feet distance, 0 miles per hour, 37% battery. 327 feet altitude. Warning, signal lost. 177 feet distance. 0 miles per hour. 82% battery. (326 feet altitude, 176 feet distance, 0 miles per hour, 80% battery. (327 feet altitude, 177 feet distance, 0 miles per hour, 77% battery. (327 feet altitude, 176 feet distance, 0 miles per hour, 76% battery.
A little windy.
326 feet altitude, 177 feet distance, 0 miles per hour, 74% battery. (326 feet altitude, 177 feet distance, 0 miles per hour, 72% battery. (296 feet altitude, 177 feet distance, 0 miles per hour, 70% battery.
Okay.
258 feet altitude, 154 feet distance, 21 miles per hour, 67% battery.
Look at this. Look at
6
this.
feet altitude, 6 feet distance, 0 miles
man,
per
look at
hour,
that.
61% battery.
That's a good spot right there. It landed right on
Recording
there.
stopped.